Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by working on a clean, slightly damp scalp so products absorb. Combine 1 tablespoon Vaseline with 1/2 teaspoon fresh lemon juice and mix until uniform. This thins the petrolatum slightly and adds acidity to clarify. Apply a dime-sized amount to one small section first and rub gently. This gives you immediate control and reveals texture. Once done, continue mixing only as needed. Avoid preparing a large batch because lemon oxidizes and potency drops. Once you have the mixed paste, section your hair into thin parts and apply small amounts directly to the roots. You don't need to coat mid-lengths. Massage each treated area for 2 to 3 minutes to increase blood flow and help the Vaseline carry lemon closer to follicles. Make sure to wrap with a warm towel or shower cap for 20 to 30 minutes to create mild heat and improve absorption. After that time, proceed to the next slide for careful removal and aftercare. You finish by loosening the Vaseline with a light carrier oil like coconut or olive. Massage generously, then shampoo twice to fully remove residue. Make sure to follow with a moisturizing conditioner to restore softness and avoid heat styling for 48 hours to reduce stress on freshly treated roots. If you notice persistent irritation, heavy buildup, or no improvement after several applications, stop using the mix and consult a dermatologist.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.